Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today in this video we'll be seeing a Konkani delicacy, bondi sukke. This is nothing but banana blossom or banana flower stir fry. This is usually had as a side dish along with rice. To prepare this recipe, firstly in a mixer we'll be taking 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, a gooseberry sized tamarind, 5 to 6 dried red chili, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of jaggery and little water, and grind until your fine ground masala paste is ready. Make sure the masala paste is not watery and is of the consistency as shown in the video. Next, take a kadai, and once the kadai is hot enough, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of jeera, half teaspoon of methi seed, and prepare the tempering. Once the tempering is prepared, add 1 medium-sized finely chopped banana blossom into it. If you want to know how to cut and clean the banana blossom or banana flower, we have previously posted a video and the link of the same is there in the description box. Next, add 1/4 cup of water and close this with a lid and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes in low to medium flame. Keep stirring this occasionally to make sure the banana blossom is uniformly cooked. Once your banana blossom is almost ready, add the previously prepared ground masala paste and salt as per taste and mix everything well. Now close this with a lid and allow this mixture to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. Now your healthy delicious bondi sukke is ready. So do try this simple recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.